Hey everyone, so I'm filming my Walmart beauty box. This is the fall 2019 beauty box. I'm filming it on my new iPhone XR. I love this thing, it's awesome. I just wanted to show you my nails too. They are the Color Street 100% real nail polish strips. I love these. I thought I wasn't going to be able to apply them, but I've had them on for close to a week now, and I absolutely love them. So I just got my box in the mail yesterday. This pretty tissue paper, and the Walmart beauty box is $5 per box. The box itself is free. You just pay $5 for shipping, and you get it 4 times a year. So I'm just gonna hop right in. So here's just a little card. I'm pretty sure this is the fall box. They kind of come late with each season, but anyway. I got the Bioderma micellar water, makeup removing micelle solution, so I'm excited to try that. I've recently gotten into wearing makeup again. Like, I took a big break from wearing makeup. And I was actually really excited to get this because I got one of these razors in a previous box and I absolutely love it. It's the Bic Soleil Sensitive. 3 blades, comfort shield. Really good razor. And then I got a Dove Refresh and Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. These are perfect for traveling. You get these in most boxes, so I have a collection of them. And then I got a Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. I've also gotten this in a previous box, but that's okay. Then we have a little sample of the Nivea Aloe Vera Body Lotion. Have a Biore Witch Hazel Pore Strip. And just has a little paper. So this is an okay box. It's not the best box I've received. In some boxes I've got like a full-size mascara, but I'm okay with this box. I'm really excited for this and the razor. So if you get this box, let me know, and thank you guys for watching.